Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading Strategy channel. Have you ever used the Supertrend indicator? This is one of the indicators you can use as an alternative to the Supertrend. Moreover, this indicator is claimed to be better than the Supertrend indicator. But before we continue, make sure you stay on this video and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. The trading strategy we will discuss this time will use the Volume Supertrend AI indicator. This indicator is a combination of AI or machine learning, volume indicators, and supertrend indicators. This trading strategy can work on all time frames, so you can use it for scalping, day trading, or swing trading. Additionally, this trading strategy can work on all assets, such as forex, gold or XAU USD, crypto, stocks, and other assets. To save time, let's start this video. To use this trading strategy, you can go to TradingView. Then go to the Search Indicator tab. In the Search Indicator tab, type Volume Supertrend AI. Then select Volume Supertrend AI by Zeiierman. The way to use this indicator is almost the same as the usual Supertrend indicator. However, there are three trend lines that you need to understand when using this indicator. If the trend line is green, it indicates a bullish trend. If the trend line is red, it indicates a bearish trend. The green line is a transition line. This can signal a transition from a bearish trend to a bullish trend or from a bullish trend to a bearish trend. Then, you can also observe the dots and triangles. The dot indicates the beginning of a trend change, while the triangle indicates the continuation of the main trend. For example, when the main trend is bearish, indicated by the trend line being red. Then, if the color of the trend line changes to blue, it indicates a possible trend change. If a green dot appears next, it signifies that the trend has changed from bearish to bullish. And if there is a price correction afterward, but the indicator still considers the trend to be bullish, a green triangle will appear as confirmation that the trend is still bullish. Now let's move on to the settings of the Volume Supertrend AI indicator. If you go to the Settings tab of this indicator, there are many things you can adjust. For example, you can adjust the number on the price trend. For instance, if you set it to 50, the indicator will adjust the display according to the settings you've made. However, in this example, we will use the default settings for this indicator. If you haven't changed any settings, simply click Cancel. Now, let's add the second indicator that will be used as a guide to place orders in the market. Go to the Search Indicator tab and then type Andean Oscillator. Then simply select Andian Oscillator by Alexgrover. Next, enter the settings of the Andian Oscillator indicator. For this Andian Oscillator indicator, just leave it at the default settings. The Andian Oscillator indicator will be used as a guide to place buy or sell orders in the market, but before using this indicator, you must understand the function of the three lines in this indicator. The green line is the bullish component line, then, the red line is the bearish component line, after that, there's the orange line. This orange line is the signal line. If the green line crosses above the red line and stays above it, it's a signal to buy. In this position, your main focus should be finding the best point to place a buy order. Conversely, if the red line crosses above the green line and stays above it, it's a signal to sell. In this position, your main focus should be finding the best point to place a sell order. However, if you want to get buy or sell signals with better probability, try to ensure that the green or red line crosses or stays above the signal line before you place an order. For example, if the green line crosses above the red line and stays above it, it's a buy signal. For better probability, you can wait until the green line crosses the signal line and stays above it before placing a buy order. Then, if the trend is still bullish and the Andean Oscillator signal is still in the buy position, you can place buy orders every time the green line or bullish component line crosses and stays above the signal line. The same principle applies when the trend is bearish, if the red line crosses above the green line and stays above it. It's a sell signal. For better probability, you can wait until the red line crosses the signal line and stays above it before placing a sell order. Then, if the trend is still bearish and the Andean oscillator signal is still in the sell position, you can place sell orders every time the red line or bearish component line crosses and stays above the signal line. Now let's discuss how to use this Volume Supertrend AI trading strategy. How to place a buy order. If the Volume Supertrend AI line is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this position, your main focus is to find the best buy entry point. Then, wait for the Andean oscillator to give a buy signal. Or wait for the green line to cross above the red line. After that, wait for the green line or bullish component line to cross or stay above the signal line. For final confirmation, ensure that the candlestick formed is bullish. If all conditions are met, you can enter a buy order after the bullish candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss at the last swing low. Then use a take profit target with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the Volume Supertrend AI line is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this position, your main focus is to find the best sell entry point. Then, wait for the Andean oscillator to give a sell signal. Or wait for the red line to cross above the green line. After that, wait for the red line or bearish component line to cross or stay above the signal line. For final confirmation, ensure that the candlestick formed is bearish. If all conditions are met, you can enter a sell order after the bearish candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss at the last swing high. Then use a take profit target with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Make sure to always maintain your money management and trading psychology, as there is no strategy that guarantees a 100% win rate. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've gained new knowledge today. That concludes our discussion for today, and see you in the next video.